Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of our Angular series. Today we will dive into what Angular is and why it's one of the most popular frameworks for building web applications. Angular is a TypeScript based open source web application framework developed by Google. It's known for its ability to create dynamic, scalable, and efficient single page applications. So, why should you choose Angular? Here are a few reasons. It's backed by Google, ensuring a long term support. Secondly, Angular offers a modular development approach, making it easy to scale your applications. And the third one is features like two-way data binding and dependency injection simplify the development process. So Angular stands out because of its rich feature set. Some of the most notable feature includes component and template for building user interfaces, two-way data binding for real-time updates, dependency injections for better code organization, and the last one is building and testing tools to ensure application reliability. What can you build with Angular? You can use it to create a variety of applications such as single page applications for websites, progressive web apps, enterprise grade application for businesses, and cross platform mobile apps using frameworks like Ionic. So, this series will guide you through everything Angular has to offer. In upcoming episodes, we will cover topics like setting up your Angular environment, creating your first Angular app, understanding component services and model. So stay tuned as we explore Angular step by step.